Hi everyone, in front of me I've got the VIVO V29 Lite and let me share with you how to enable the night light or a comfort mode. So we will begin with the customization of this mode and after that I'll show you much faster access to it. So let's start with opening the settings, and here in this general list we have to scroll and find display and brightness. Here we've got this option eye protection, which is the name of the night light in this device. So in order to turn it on without any kind of customization, we have to tap on this switcher, and as you can see the screen will turn a little bit yellowish or even amber. It is basically in order to filter the blue light. What's more, it will be much easier for you to look at the screen at the dim light. So if you're a night owl, then I highly recommend to use this mode. So now we can customize it. Let's simply tap on this option, and now with the usage of this switcher we can change the intensity of that feature. By going to the left we can make it cooler, and by going to the right warmer. It's totally up to you which intensity is the best for you. You can also schedule that feature. The none option is the manual option, which means that you have to manually turn it on and off. You can set it from sunset to sunrise, and it means that your device will automatically decide when the sunsets and sunrises are. It is location based, or you can turn it on custom time, so you can freely choose the start and the end time, and of course your device will apply the mode accordingly. I prefer to have this option none applied. And that was the whole customization in this device. Of course, you can have much faster access to it. Simply unroll the top bar. Let's unroll it fully, and here we have to find this eye protection option. Let's simply tap on it, and as you can see, it will be immediately applied. You can turn it off just by tapping on this option again. Alright, so that will be all. Thank you so much for watching. I hope that this video was helpful, and if it was, please hit the subscribe button and leave the thumbs up.